Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to fix a problem I had the last time I went drag racing. That was when I was braking, I was losing oil pressure. Got down to like 20 psi at times. To fix this, I bought this guy. It has some baffling and some windage in it. Should help improve aerodynamics in the crankcase for what that's worth, like 10 horsepower or so. But more importantly, that big old deep part right there should keep the oil where the oil needs to be. In addition to doing the oil pan, we're going to be doing the oil pump. My only complaint with the current oil pump I have is off idle. I get about 80, 85 psi, but then it drops down to the relief valve at 70 psi. Not really sure why it doesn't stay at 70. All the other oil pumps I've had stay at 70. Well, let's get started. All right, so I got this pump apart. One of the weird things is that you actually have to tap this on with a mallet. They put a lot of instructions that you have to use their intermediate shaft. But take a look at this design. If you know what an oil pump looks like on the inside, you know that these gears are straight cut. But now they're a little bit off from being straight, and what that causes is it to spin really smooth. If you ever spun an oil pump before you stuck it on, it has like these little tight binding points. All of that seems to be gone. They boast that they're more efficient and that they're more reliable due to that. We'll see. Everything looks good in here. I just got to put the oil pickup on, and I'm gonna red Loctite all these in so that I don't have to worry about them backing out. Here's a trick: get yourself a 16mm wrench. You can tap that on in with a 16mm. Okay, there it is. It's all the way in. I won't lie, this has got to be one of the tightest oil pickups I've had to do. And this bolt is not accessible. So, ground down, torque star. I can get that in there. I'm going to torque it down with a pair of pliers. Thankfully, these don't have to be all that tight. Even the torque specs are pretty weak on them. There's our fully assembled oil pump. Remember to prime them before you stick them on. It's the last thing we're going to do. Holy shit. Holy shit. So overall, it's about as lucky as you can get. I had my oil pickup come off. Didn't lose the engine. Never thought I'd see the day of driving around without an oil pickup. So let this be a lesson learned. Do not doubt the guys that talk about the oil pickup problems. I don't think I'll ever install a pickup like that on an engine in the future. I think I'll do bolt-on pickups every time for that reason right there. Anyways, hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button. If you have any comments, suggestions, leave them down below. And as always, we'll catch you on the next one.